Module 3, Scanning Networks, Lab 3, Perform OS Discovery. Banner grabbing, or OS fingerprinting, is used to determine the OS running on a remote target system. Task 1, identify the target system's OS with time to live, TTL, and TCP window sizes using Wireshark. Task 2, perform OS discovery using Nmap script engine, NSE. Task 3, perform OS discovery using Unicornscan. Task 1, identify the target system's OS with time to live, TTL, and TCP window sizes using Wireshark. Wireshark is a network protocol analyzer that allows capturing and interactively browsing the traffic running on a computer network. It is used to identify the target OS through sniffing/capturing the response generated from the target machine to the request-originated machine. Further, you can observe the TTL and TCP window size fields in the captured TCP packet. Using these values, table for TTL values and TCP window size associated with various OSes, the TTL value varies depends on the version of an operating system and device. The default initial TTL value for Linux/Unix is 64, and TTL value for Windows is 128. Here is the default initial TTL values for popular operating systems such as Linux, FreeBSD, Mac OS, Solaris, and Windows. Let's apply theory in a practical scenario. Turn on the Windows 11, open Wireshark. The Wireshark appears in the results. Click Open to launch it. The Wireshark Network Analyzer main window appears. Double-click the available Ethernet or interface, here, Ethernet, to start the packet capture. Open the command prompt. Type ping target IP address and press enter. Observe the packets captured by Wireshark. Choose any packet of the ICMP reply from the target IP address and expand the Internet Protocol version for node in the Packet Details pane. The TTL value is recorded as 128, which means that the ICMP reply possibly came from a Windows-based machine. Now, stop the capture in the Wireshark window by clicking on the Stop button from the toolbar. Now, click the Start Capturing Packets button from the toolbar. If an unsaved packets pop-up appears, click Continue without saving. Wireshark will start capturing the new packets. In the command prompt window, type ping target IP address and press enter. Note, this IP address of Ubuntu machine. Observe the packets captured by Wireshark. Choose any packet of ICMP reply from target IP. The TTL value is recorded as 64, which means the ICMP reply possibly came from a Linux-based machine. Task 2. Perform OS discovery using Nmap Script Engine, NSE, Nmap, along with Nmap Script Engine, NSE, can extract considerable valuable information from the target system. In addition to Nmap commands, NSE provides scripts that reveal all sorts of useful information from the target system. Using NSE, you may obtain information such as OS, computer name, domain name, forest name, NetBIOS computer name, NetBIOS domain name, workgroup, system time of a target system, etc. Here, we will use Nmap to perform OS discovery using a parameter, O parameter, and NSE. Let's apply theory in a practical scenario. Open Linux device. Open terminal. Open terminal, type sudo su, for root permission, press enter. Nmap, A, target IP address, note, A, to perform an aggressive scan, note, the scan takes approximately 5 to 10 minutes to complete. The scan results appear, displaying the open ports and running services along with their versions and target details such as OS, computer name, NetBIOS computer name, etc. under the host script results section. In the terminal window, type the command nmap o, target IP address. Here, the target machine is Windows Server 2022, 10.10.1.22, and press enter. Note, O, performs the OS discovery. The scan results appear, displaying information about open ports, respective services running on the open ports, and the name of the OS running on the target system. In the terminal window, type the command nmap script smbosdiscovery.nse, target IP address, and press enter. Note, script specifies the customized script, and smbosdiscovery.nse attempts to determine the OS, computer name, domain, workgroup, and current time over the SMB protocol, ports 445 or 139. The scan results appear, displaying the target OS, computer name, NetBIOS computer name, etc. details under the host script section. Task 3. Perform OS discovery using Unicornscan, Unicornscan is a Linux-based command line-oriented network information gathering and reconnaissance tool. It is an asynchronous TCP and UDP port scanner and banner grabber that enables you to discover open ports, services, TTL values, etc., running on the target machine. In Unicornscan, the OS of the target machine can be identified by observing the TTL values in the acquired scan result. Here, we will use the Unicornscan tool to perform OS discovery on the target system. Let's apply theory in a practical scenario. Open Linux, open terminal. Type Unicornscan, target IP address, -4, and press enter. Note, in this command, I specifies an immediate mode, and V specifies a verbose mode. The scan results appear, displaying the open TCP ports along with the obtained TTL value of 128. TTL values acquired after the scan are 128, hence. The OS is possibly Microsoft Windows, Windows 8/8.1/10/11 or Windows Server 16/19/22. Note, here, the target machine is Windows Server 2022, 10.10.1.22.